have a turd on my shoulder.
Oh, man.
All right, guys, so we are attempting the biggest group FaceTime chat ever, and we're running through a little bit of issues. The craziest thing is that a lot of people aren't on the latest update. The call should have happened 6 minutes ago, so some people are updating their phones. Some people gave me numbers that don't work with iMessage or FaceTime. So trying to wrangle this thing together is a way bigger deal than I ever thought.
What?
Okay, so I was making a group to make it all one quick, easy FaceTime, and I hit cancel, and I have to re-input everybody in the group again. This is driving me insane. All right, guys, we are starting the FaceTime.
Got it.
Whoa.
All right.
Hey, finally. Oh, this is a lot.
Yo.
This is getting crazy.
Does anyone have audio?
We are out here.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh my god. This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Insane.
Why is everybody driving?
Judd, you better hit the record button. I think this is the first time anybody actually tested this.
Yeah, I looked on YouTube. No one's done it.
I was messing with an emoji.
We're gonna break Apple's service. I can see
Perfect.
Justine.
Perfect.
All be screened. Yeah, there's
Who's
explanation.
the purple anim? Oh, that was Saf?
Wow.
That's me.
Purple emoji.
Whoa.
Hey, Marquez.
No, it's
This
not.
is wild.
I'm being safe. I'm not driving or letting you drive.
Hey.
This is so great.
Mr. Techno Buffalo.
What's
Hey.
going on, guys?
Everybody smile. I'm taking a picture.
Jenna, what's up?
I had Maddie and I picked him up and then he puked, so he's
Did I see Austin in there?
Yeah,
I think I saw Austin. Where you at?
Headphones on.
Oh, there
Yeah,
you go.
go.
Austin.
Hey.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. But I gotta ask you guys at least some questions, you know, or like 2 or 3 questions so that we can actually make something out of this. Most interesting phone of the year so far. Interesting, not favorite, not which is better, just interesting.
I think that new phone that came out with the display on the back so you can take a selfie so the screen has like, you know, it's like edge-to-edge screen.
Yeah,
I feel like the
That's
Oppo Find X.
I'm with you on that. I like the Oppo Find X. I think the design is just A1.
Yeah,
I think
That palm phone though.
yeah, the palm phone qualifies as interesting.
Phone.
See the palm
Can we
phone.
consider that a
Who
phone?
has
though?
the palm phone?
I do.
Do you have
You're
it?
like a 2018 pager.
It looks small in every picture, and it's even smaller than it
I know
looks
it's
in all
actually
those pictures.
tiny.
Zach, how does it feel
Dave
using an
making
iPhone? Yeah.
It's all right.
I'm here.
I see Sarah.
Yet, so it's
I
fine.
Where's the
feel like I'm
kernel?
in an Apple commercial.
Is the image clear enough for you, Zach?
Yeah. I'm actually on the iPhone XR, so I don't see you guys in 1080p, but it should be okay.
Oh, where's Dave? Yeah, let me. Okay, so one thing we gotta try is adding people to the group. So
Yeah.
let me see if I can get Dave in here.
Go for it.
I'm surprised this is working as well as it is.
Right, I agree.
It's so smooth.
Yeah.
I like the little floating effect of everybody's face when they come to the forefront. It's very
Is this
subtle.
Don't you think there's a lot of wasted space? A lot
David.
of black.
There is a lot of wasted space.
I
feel like it'd be better if it was
They could
circle.
add everyone at once.
Yeah, this would be better if they were all in a grid and I could just scroll the grid.
I just put a sticker on my
Oh,
shoulder.
Dave. There we go.
Yo, guys,
Somebody
I'm gonna
says,
head
"What do
out.
you guys do for
I have-
fun?"
Marquez, you out of here, man?
Yeah, I gotta
He's
get out
out.
of here, but I'm glad I got to experience this chaos in real time. This is great.
Awesome. Well, thanks for
Don't
jumping
cry,
on,
dude.
man. It's kind of cool because if those guys leave, if they wanted, they could jump right back into it afterwards because it's gonna stay in their FaceTime app, so they could just jump right back into the
We're all
group.
just gonna be jumping into this chat throughout the week.
So somebody thinking of doing this on a weekly basis is not totally out there. This is like
But if
this could stay.
I think one person has to stay on though.
Oh,
If
right.
everyone
Make
hangs
it
up,
like a-
if it all
like a
everyone
Minecraft
hangs on,
server?
it's all-
I'll just leave
We
my
have like
phone.
one phone that is like the FaceTime server. It's like a Minecraft server.
Oh, wait, is anybody using this over cellular network?
Yeah,
I
am.
I'm about to switch
Oh.
over right now.
Yeah.
am.
Oh,
I'm on
some folks
Wi-Fi.
aren't even on Wi-Fi.
Nope.
I'm on Wi-Fi.
I'm not.
No,
My Wi-Fi sucks.
I have a turd on my shoulder.
It's clean.
Guys, I just realized if you talk really loud, like you scream, it goes full face, and everyone gets.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. You
Oh, yeah, look at that. Because the bubble
Wait.
size is dependent
How
on your
loud?
volume.
Great. Now we have
Louder
everybody
you talk,
screaming.
Let's all scream at once.
Danny, what are you doing?
Did you see Mark wearing Google Glass?
Yeah, I saw that.
Throwback.
It's compatible. It's compatible with iOS.
Oh, there he is.
Mark, look at you, man.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I'm
No, I
seriously
came
impressed how people keep coming in. Like, even if there's no attention there, as soon as they start talking, boom, there goes Mark. Where we were just talking about him, he said one thing, and he's in the middle of the screen now.
Yeah, that's so crazy.
That's what's up.
I gotta say, Justine has been dominating the real estate here.
He's not even talking much. She just defaults.
No, it's just staying on her.
Maybe it's broken.
They just know you like iPhones. That's all.
It knows it's iTunes.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So you
How do we figure it out?
At the bottom, you can pick which screen
Impossible.
you want on the main display.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, really?
Everyone's
You
screenshot.
can you lock people in?
Oh yeah, you
I don't think you can lock.
tap
You can just
people,
scroll
they
through
come
and
in.
pick
Tap someone
and
and they go to like the
Oh,
screen.
okay. Yeah, they jump into the middle.
This is the nuttiest thing I've ever seen.
Swipe right.
You know what I'm most impressed by? How there's like very little lag in the conversation.
Yeah.
You guys will
No,
react to
none
each
at
other,
all.
and it's
It's
like
like, I don't know
it's
which way to
instant,
swipe,
right?
so
That's
it's
crazy.
Yeah. No, this is some real time stuff right here.
Wow. Yeah, no, this
I
is
don't think
pretty
FaceTime
solid.
normally,
Just follow
ever.
So we capped off with what, 28 people? I think that's fine.
28.
Oh my
32 YouTubers, one cup. Everyone will get it.
Ah, damn.
Good.
No wonder Dave gets all the views.
Demonetized.
So are we gonna try for 32 next weekend, or what's up?
Okay, guys, that was absolutely insane, but I am very surprised at how well it worked. Like, people popped in when they spoke. Nobody was hidden for too long unless they just stayed quiet. So that was actually really, really good. I'm very surprised Apple made it work. Some people didn't jump in, but you know, that's cool. I think we got up to 28 people or so. 29 people. Yeah. There you go. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this look into what a group FaceTime looks like with a ton of YouTubers. But till next video, guys, it's your average consumer. Peace.